Hello mga kaguro, this is Sir Jory, your partner in guide and troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem regarding with your Google Chrome, especially on the search engine, which is not necessary to be here in our Google Chrome application. As I open my Google Chrome mga kaguro, here in our search bar, if you can see here on top, we have here the logo of Yahoo, which is another search engine. And the problem right here, hindi po lumalabas yung dots or options dito na kung saan makikita yung mga default Google applications just like Gmail and Google Drive, Google Sheet, and etc. So if we're going to check here on our search bar and if we're going to search something, so ito po yung lumalabas. Okay. So Yahoo po talaga yung naka-default na search engine dito. And here it has a sign in option, and then this is the options where you can find the application, which is Yahoo po, hindi po Google. So if we're going to check po, this is a Google application, and but the problem right here, the default search engine is Yahoo. So I know that there's no problem about Yahoo search engine, but what we want here is to return this one into its default search engine, which is Google Chrome. So what we're going to do here is to click in this part po, yung three dots here on the upper right corner, and then click here settings. Okay, if you're already on the settings po, you can go ahead and click and tap search engine. And then if you can see right here, there's a drop down menu where it has different search engine registered, just like Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, Bing, and another secure search or another engine. So, meaning to say, Yahoo is already present here in our Google Chrome. And if we're going to check here, Yahoo is there. So, what we're going to do is to delete this one. Okay. Or you can go ahead and click here on the three dots, which is the more actions or option on top of or beside the google.com or Google search engine, and make this one as default. So we have to make this one as default lang po. So if you're going to check here, google.com is our default search engine already, and I don't want this search engine to be here in my Google app, so I wanted to delete this one. So go ahead and click delete. And Ecosia, I don't want this one. I'm not using this search engine. And then the secure search of Yahoo, I don't want this one present here in my search engine. Anyway, it's up to you if you can change your search engine from Google to Yahoo or vice versa from Yahoo to Google. Just go ahead, click here the setting, the three dots here on top near in your profile, and then click here setting, and then here search engine, then here the manage search engines and site search, and all the way down scroll down to this part where it has search engines name, and then you can change whatever search engine present in this application. Alright, so hopefully that this kind of video helps you a lot in solving the kind of problem, but we're going to check if it's already changed, kung na-fix na po ba. So right at this time mga kaguro, if you're going to see here, we have already the Google logo here on our search bar, and here we have already the options to check the Google applications we have. So it turns already to its default mode. So thank you so much again. Hopefully that this video helps you a lot, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.